The H family of ESP32 is dedicated to the 802.15.4 specific protocols, but also has Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. Those devices are oriented towards mesh networks rather than classical point-to-point connections using access points and central routers. They do not contain a Wi-Fi interface. Using 802.15.4 radio enables advanced energy-saving scenarios regarding communication compared to Wi-Fi connectivity. Thus, the H series is a pure IoT platform. Currently, there is one representative of the family with a code H2. As in the case of the C series, the main processor is RISC-V. There is no ultra-low power coprocessor here. The maximum clocking of the main CPU is 96 MHz. The built-in memory is composed of embedded flash 204 MB, ROM 128 KB for booting and core functions, static RAM 320 KB for data and instructions, low power memory 4 KB of static RAM that the CPU can access. It can retain data in the deep sleep mode. eFuse 4 KB, 1792 bits are reserved for the user data such as encryption key and device ID. The interfacing is quite wide, and it includes 19 GPIOs, 2 12-bit analog-to-digital converters up to 5 channels, internal temperature sensor, 3 SPI interfaces, 2 UART interfaces, 2 I2C interfaces, 1 I2S, 1 LED PWM with 6 channels, general DMA with 3 transmission channels and 3 receiving channels, 1 PWM for motor control, 1 CAN interface, and 1 parallel I/O controller, 1 USB JTAG controller. The choice of modules is currently limited to 5 devices, starting from complete package with 53 pins and rich connectivity capabilities limited to WROOM 07 version, which is only 6 pins and 3 GPIOs. It is dedicated to simple IoT autonomous applications. As in the case of the other ESP families, there are versions with the PCB antenna only and an external IPEX connector for the external antenna for improved radio range.